Good afternoon, class 6. Today I'll start the topic symbol of elements, and then we'll talk about common elements, and thereafter we'll talk about compounds. Now, before I start, let me remind you that I have told you that you need to learn the table 4.2. That is the symbols of elements given in your book. 1 to 20 element is in your course, and you need to learn them by heart along with the atomic number and the symbols. Now, what are the atomic numbers? If you see table 4.2, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, you put the numberings, right? Hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, and neon 10. And so goes with sodium till calcium. So you need to learn them by heart. Okay? Now we'll start with symbol of elements and compounds. We'll be talking about symbols of elements. The symbols of chemical elements are abbreviations, that is short form, that is used to denote chemical elements. Now what happens, it is very difficult for everyone to write the names of element every time in chemical reactions. So what have the chemist or the scientist have done, they have given certain short forms or denoted symbols through which you can identify the name of the element. Okay. Generally, usually the first letter of its name is the symbol. As you can see in the first row, hydrogen, H, C for carbon, O for oxygen, S for sulfur. That means it is the first letter of the alphabet. It is the first alphabet of the word, right? Now what happened, however, when the first letter, okay, came into existence, there are certain elements that have uh, their name starting with the same alphabet. Like here in the slide only you can see H for hydrogen and H for helium also. So now how you will make out that H is for hydrogen and H is for helium also? No. There came a rule that wherever there is a same letter for the two elements, you denote them with two letters. As you can see, H is for hydrogen. Then when we talk about helium, it is He. Same thing goes with carbon. When we talk about carbon, it is C. When we talk about chlorine, it is Cl. When we talk about calcium, it is Ca. Okay. Then there are certain uh, elements whose first letter is same, as carbon is denoted by C, salt is denoted by CO, copper is denoted by Cu. Now it is very difficult to denote them with their original names. So you know very well that symbols have been originated from their Latin names. Okay, Latin names has been used to denote symbols. Okay, so whenever you will go in higher classes, you will observe that those symbols are derived from Latin names. Like C is for carbon, so copper will have first two letters, that is uh, copper will have Cu symbol derived from the word cuprum. Latin word is cuprum. Okay, so copper we use Cu, and cobalt is Co. So cobalt, COBALT is the spelling of the element. So first two letters is CO. Now, when we talk about copper, it is also CO. Now what to do? So scientists have given another rule to write the symbol of element, that is that they have to write the name with their Latin name. So Latin name of copper is cuprum, Cuprum. So from there the symbol Cu has been taken up. So that's why I have told you to learn the symbols carefully from your book so that there will be no confusion for you ahead. Now we'll talk about some common elements